Okay, how to add custom token to Trust Wallet. Go to your Trust Wallet application. In the top right corner, click on two dots, and you will see a list of usual tokens that are already in Trust Wallet. Scroll down and find Add Custom Token. Click on that. You need a contract address of token. You can find it on CoinGecko, on Etherscan, whatever you want. For this example, I will paste Shiba Inu token because it's so popular these days. When you paste contract of token address, you will see name, symbol, and decimals. Trust Wallet will recognize it. Just click Done, and SHIB token or any other token that you want to add to Trust Wallet, it will be added to Trust Wallet. Click back and you will see it in your list of token. That is all. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell for new videos.